Okay guys, today I'm going to explain a very small technique which can be used to identify viruses. So the viruses are basically those are malicious programs. So which is basically the intention is to use the resources in the computer like memory, hard disk, and maybe damage users, files and all. So anyway, it's wasting our time and resources. So how to identify a virus basically? When you download a file, there's a very small trick that you can do. So or if you want to access a certain link, or if you want to download a file, or if you want to check a link, so there's a very simple thing you can do. So let me download a file. For example, let me download small software 7-zip zip, and I'm going to download the executable version. So this is not a virus, but this is a program. Just download it. Let's download this, and it's a small program. Just save the file. Then you can see the file is saved now. So after downloading the file, you can go to this website. This is virus.perl.com, and you can scan the file. So even after downloading, even before download, you can scan this as a URL, or just you can just go to the file. Let's upload the file. Choose the file and upload it. And here's my download file. It is in the downloads folder. Just double click this, and you can see. Okay, right, you can see the results from different engines. So there are some famous antivirus software, and only Secure Age Apex has detected that as a malware or Trojan. But basically all the other program we have scanned with 68 programs. So anti-AVL, Avast, and some famous antivirus engines are there, Bitdefender, Avira. Those are not saying that as a virus, so we can ignore this result. It says, so one says it as a virus, but all other URLs links are saying it's not a virus. You can even scan URL using this, or you can find a search result even using scan this. So for an example, if you want to scan a URL, let's go to a URL. We'll see modified. Let's modified version. So let's say a modified version, some kind of like, so modified a new version. So not from the original site. Let's try with some different site. So let's use CNET now, and I just want to check whether this URL is genuine. I can copy this and check with VirusTotal and check in and saying that okay, so it's safe to visit. So likewise you can say, or you can say let's search for some like Windows 10 track. So uh, most of the tracks are sometimes most of the tracks so are not really good. So those are having some bad intentions sometimes, not everything, but anyway tracking is good, not a good thing, right? So tracking is anyway illegal, but anyway, so let's search for this URL and see whether it contained a virus or it is a safe site or not. So two sites are saying that it is malicious and suspicious. Yes, three are saying that it is suspicious, right? Likewise, you can check with different URLs, and before even you download, before that you can check this. So I think now you know a simple step to find out whether the site is malicious or not. So you can use this and find genuine places or safe places to visit, because internet is not a safe environment. It has lot of fake sites, lot of fake URLs, lot of fake software, trojans, viruses, worms and all. So you have to stay safe from them. So better scan these URLs and files before you put it to your computer. Okay then, so let's meet with another video in the next day. Bye.